Hey, so if you're doing affiliate marketing and want clean links, better tracking, and more clicks, yeah, Bitly can really help. Instead of sharing long, messy affiliate links, you can turn them into short, professional ones. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to use Bitly for affiliate marketing. First, go to your affiliate platform and copy your affiliate link for the product or service. Now go to Bitly and log into your account. Click the Create button and paste your affiliate link. Bitly will generate a short version instantly. Customize the link, make it clean and relevant so it looks more trustworthy. Now use your Bitly link in your content like YouTube descriptions, social media posts, blogs, or emails. Bitly lets you track clicks, so you can see how your affiliate links are performing. You can create multiple links for different platforms or campaigns to see what works best. And finally, use your analytics to improve your strategy and increase conversions. So that's how to use Bitly for affiliate marketing links. It makes your links cleaner, trackable, and more effective. If this helped, subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.